Adult coffee.
No, just cafe latte.
And Nico, smile for the camera.
And you're going to drop it everywhere.
That is good work. Good work.
Look at Uncle Anthony.
You missed a bit.
Nico.
You missed a bit.
I have the cup of you.
Good boy.
And do you have a mint tea? Yep.
Good. Nice.
Not ready yet. You eat up over
Go. Can I have the Bianca Neve, please? And double espresso. Please. Grazie.
You better practice your Italian for your best man speech, eh?
Yeah. No. I'm going to keep this for when you're older, and it's going to be used against you in evidence.
Nico,
Wait.
now you're not licking off the table. Come on.
Boy and girl.
Finish.
Boy.
Finish, Eva. No more.
After you're having fun for a couple of years, you marry one of them to enjoy